Here we have a 1914 Douglas 2 3/4 horsepower at Andy Tiernan Classics. 350, I thought that would be good, wasn't it?
No, 2 3/4 horsepower. But this is the interesting thing: the clutch and the kickstart.
They don't normally have that bit, do they?
They made bucket loads of these for the First World War. You know, they were sort of the old DR riders in the First War. There was, I don't know, 30,000 of them made. They were just simple with no clutch and no kickstart. You bumped them off and then went through the gears on the tank.
Yeah.
This one's slightly earlier. It's just maybe 13. It's early 14 at that. So it's the pre-war bike.
Yeah.
Definitely one of them. Belonged Frank Dolman, the king of these actually, but unfortunately passed away, and an engineer bought it and did a lot of work to it and sold it to us.
Yeah.
We've now got to buy for it anyhow overseas, and he'll finish it off. But it's running. We're going to demonstrate it starts. But that's
it.
That's it. We're not doing any more. At £5,000, I mean, come on. A Pioneer bike for £5,000 is.
Turn the fuel
So we've got fuel down there.
Yeah. Give it a plug it up. Come on. Let's try that, shall we?
Yeah. Right. Two speed gears. Yeah.
Yep. I think that's low. Forward is low.
Yeah.
And back is high.
Yeah.
So we'll put the clutch in.
This is a lovely clutch. Decompressor there.
Decomp.
Yeah.
And then your two throttle controls up here.
Yeah.
So
Off we go. There we go. Nice little startup.
it runs.
Runs. It sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah, mechanically it sounds very
Yeah.
good. Doesn't it?
Yeah. Just a new boat to go over little details.
Yeah.
I didn't get the belt. Wouldn't go amiss, would it?
No.
The belt's stretched like hell in here. There we go. A goodie.